open IV and then extract your vehicle models, and then open Zmodeler and then import it like in the photo shown. Alright, then from here you go to collision, LO, make sure that's turned on. Then you go to, for example, windscreen for this demonstration. Oh, that's the back. We're going to go to the front. This is the front windscreen. Make sure you select collision. Then you go to polygon tool. Now I want you to click select all. Make sure polygon is selected and select all is selected. Then I want you to right click on this window and then left click and drag to the right. Now dots should appear. You see that? Dots have appeared. Then you right click again. Done. Now you go to properties, expand external state, change the ID from 122 to 123, click enter, and make sure you press apply, obviously. Click apply. Then you go to options and you should see here vehicles, car glass, bulletproof. And then you just need to export it and replace the files in your OpenIV, and then you should be done. Goodbye. Thank you all for watching this detailed instructional video.